Let me be honest with you. Most traders don't lose money because they don't know how to analyze the market. They lose because they are taught the wrong way to think. I'm sure you must have been told, buy low, sell high, use indicator, follow the trend. But what if the problem is not you? What if the problem is the approach itself? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down why most traders lose money in Forex and why myself I have moved into something completely different that has changed my life, and that is best trading. But here is the truth: most people won't tell you. Retail traders are trying to predict the market, but that sounds logical, right? Buy low, sell high. Is the price going up? Is it coming down? That sounds logical, but the truth is market doesn't reward prediction, it rewards positioning. So I want you to think about this. Every time you place a trade, you are competing against big banks, against institutions, against algorithm. Do you think they are predicting or guessing the price? No, they are exploiting inefficiencies. Most traders relies in directional trading. They buy and hope price goes up. They'll sell and hope price comes down. But here is the problem. The market is noisy and it moves randomly in a short term. So let me take it again. The market is noisy and it moves randomly in a short term. So even if you are right with your direction or prediction, you can still lose money. So that is why traders enter too early, they exit too late, they get stop out sometimes or most times. And it's not because of the bad discipline or bad habits in trading. It's because of flawed approach. So that is where everything changed for me. I stopped asking myself, where is the price going? Is it going up? Is GBP JPY going down? I started asking myself, is there inefficiency in the market? Is there misprice in the market? This is a completely change of mindset for me, right? My trade changed drastically. I then stopped chasing price. I simply wait for a relationship between two currency or two crypto assets to change, to break down. Then when I do find one, I simply enter the trade because that is where the opportunity is for me. So that is why I rely in best trading. I don't trade one asset or currency pair. I trade the relationship between two assets. For example, assets that normally move together, crypto or currencies that normally will move together, similar markets, correlated markets and the likes. So I simply wait for their relationship to break down, and when I spot the relationship breakdown, I step in, not to gamble but to trade their correction. So let's talk about something really real, right? Let's be honest, right? There are these traders, set of traders who trade small accounts, right? They constantly feel pressured to trade every day. They constantly feel the pressure that they must trade every day. But that is not how trading should go, right? That is not how everybody or a trader should be trading. You don't trade every day. You don't get pressure by trading or trying to trade every day, right? Here is my position as a trader, and this is why I don't see myself as a typical trader, right? Now, with best trading, I don't trade every day, right? I don't place trade every day. I don't chase price to say, right? I simply wait for my opportunity, and when I see and I spot a relationship breakdown in the market, that is when I am placing my trade. That is when I step in and I take the opportunity. And sometimes I have to hold trades for days. That is not day trading. That is short-term statistical investing. Do you hear what I said? Investing. Because we as best traders, we invest, we don't trade. So in my next video, I'll be showing you step-by-step breakdown how I go about identifying these opportunities in the marketplace. how I identify inefficiency in currencies and crypto markets, and how I spot my trade exactly. And most importantly, I'll be showing you how I'll be trading my last $300 with this approach, right? We are just getting started, right? We are just getting started. Do well to subscribe, do well to like, and do well to comment down below. I'll be seeing you next time. Until then, bye.